Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create a Realme account in order to apply for New Zealand visas online. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in order to apply for New Zealand visas online, you need a Realme account. Okay, so if you go to official immigration website of New Zealand, and if you go through any visa, for example here in the URL you can see I have gone for visitor visa, it takes you to Realme, where it tells you that you need to log in, and if you don't have an account with Realme, this is the stage where you can actually create it. So that is what I'm gonna do now. Okay, see, in order to log in, it is giving you the option of username or password. Otherwise you can create a Realme login here. Okay, so first you need to put your email address and click on send code. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So what happens, it sends you a code, okay, on the email account that you use, that you need to enter and click on the confirmation code button. Once you do that, it asks you to create a username, and then you can set a password. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up and then I'm gonna see you guys. Guys, this is the next screen where it asks you to put your mobile number and alternate contact number. It does ask for Australia and New Zealand. Wow. Okay, the alternate contact number can be of any country. Wow. But anyway, both are optional, so you don't need to worry about. Now you have to select three security questions and their answers too. Okay, and then you also need to set up a pin. Okay, it is like a 5 digit. Okay, no more than 3 consecutive numbers. Do not repeat the same digit more than one. Okay, but don't put something simple like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after that you need to accept terms of use and then click on create. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So that's it guys. Then it takes you to your login area where you can see your visas, your sharing ID, networks. Okay, now if I click on my visas, definitely there's nothing. I have not yet applied anything, no application. Okay, submitted application and other things. But yeah, this is how it works. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.